Let x equal to actual age. Previous ago, the age would have been x minus 5. 11 more than 5 times our actual age is 5x plus 11. So given condition is x minus 5 the whole square equal to 5x plus 11. Use the identity for a minus b the whole square to expand x minus 5 the whole square. Rearrange into a quadratic. And solve this quadratic by using quadratic formula or splitting the middle term and factorizing. For splitting the middle term, we require two numbers whose product is 14 and sum is minus 15. The numbers are minus 14 and minus 1. Split the middle term minus 15x as minus 1x minus 14x. Take x common from the first two terms and minus 14 common from the last two terms. So factors are x minus 1 and x minus 14. Solving, we get x equal to 1 or x equal to 14. We reject x equal to 1 because x minus 5 would be minus 4, which is negative. So her present age is 14 years.